If you search online for how to make a slip knot, you're going to come up with a variety of ways. This one is mine. So you take your yarn and you hold it between your two hands, grab it with your fingers to hold onto it. I'm right-handed. I need to take my left pointer finger and stick it in the middle of the yarn and then wrap the yarn around my finger. So I take my finger from pointing down to pointing up and back down. And you see how that crosses over itself? You're going to pinch that spot right there, hold it still, and now this yarn that's on top, this is the one that's on top, we're going to grab it and bring it from underneath and up through the loop we just made, like so, and then pull down, and there's our slip knot.